Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Carpinteria Middle School here in Carpinteria, California. Spoke to the 7th and 8th graders today. Got to share my heart with all of them, and the main focus was looking at someone's heart before anything else. That we see them, like the shirt says, for one race, human, and that we first and foremost see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, and treat them like we treat our best friend. Martin Luther King Jr., we just celebrated his legacy just last week, and he says the time is always right to do what is right, and that's to show compassion, to treat everybody with that same empathy and respect that you do treat your best friend with. He also said that I've decided to stick with love because hate is too great a burden to bear. And that hate can really weigh on our heart. We can become these hurt people that hurt other people, sometimes those hurt people being ourselves, sometimes other people. We can turn that, once we let peace fully enter our hearts, we can turn that hatred into love and become healed people who help to heal people. And once we can do this, once we can fully move past some of those feelings of sadness and emptiness and loneliness, whatever else is keeping us from being fully into this planet, kind of the social and emotional awareness that it talks about here on the sign behind me, that we then are able to be fully in for this earth and then bring that kindness, that human kindness that this planet desperately needs. Never forget your worth, your value, the M on all of our palms for miracle, W upside down for worthy, that we always remember that and know that we are good enough just the way we are, no matter how we're born, no matter our background, and that going forward, we help to be that light to someone else's heart and help them see that they're great enough too. Mark Twain said, kindness is the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see, and they can't really hear it or see it, but they can feel it in their hearts. And it's so important for us to, be that voice for the voiceless and sometimes stick up for what's right. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. You guys are beautiful. You're always etched on my memory. Until then, much love. Peace.